crafties, welcome to this video. My name is Infiniti, and today I wanted to, introduce a couple of projects that I plan on doing over the next few weeks and maybe a couple of months. I don't know. They're both knitting projects. The first one would be the knitting, I'm knitting a shrug to go with my skirt back here. I am super excited to finally get that started. At this point, I have about a month to get it done, so here's to hoping that doing this video series will push me to actually do and complete this. So pretty soon I'll be having a video uploading that will run you through getting started with this shrug. The size of it will be like from a large to extra large. There's a lot of tutorials out there for like smaller size people, but not a lot for us plus size people, so I kind of wanted to do that. The other knit along is a surprise. I also have a couple, well not a couple, I have like 7 patterns in queue to be designed and written and released within the next several months. One of them is really close to, well actually 2 of them are really close to being released. Yeah, and I'll be releasing those on our Etsy shop, or not our, my Etsy shop. Okay, and so that brings me to another part of this video. What I'll be doing is, what am I doing? I'll be listing all the links to the materials that I used in my descriptions, so feel free to check those out. If you guys want to follow along, the website, I'm patient, so the website that I get my materials from, it takes a little bit of time to receive those materials in the mail, but they're the ones that I prefer to use a lot and will tend to use in my videos, so check it out. And until next time guys, happy making.